ABC Reading Hub. Today let's have a reading practice using daily use English sentences. Sit down on the chair. Sit down on the chair. I see a round ball. I see a round ball. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. A pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. I love to eat cheese. I love to eat cheese. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. I use a cup. I use a cup. They play a block. They play a block. I have a new watch. I have a new watch. I ride on a train. I ride on a train. I buy a bike. I buy a bike. I see a rocket. I see a rocket. The car is expensive. The car is expensive. The donut is pink. The donut is pink. My dad has a van. My dad has a van. The box is square. The box is square. My robot is new. My robot is new. The house is big. The house is big. The airplane can fly. The airplane can fly. I have a camera. I have a camera. The lamp is bright. The lamp is bright. The star shines at night. The star shines at night. The cake tastes good. The cake tastes good. The orange is sweet. The orange is sweet. The boat is small. The boat is small. Mom buys crayons. Mom buys crayons. I like to eat jam. I like to eat jam. The duck moves waddle. The duck moves waddle. The sunflower is beautiful. The sunflower is beautiful. The baby drinks milk. The baby drinks milk.